It's looking like we're starting our day off with a DNF, but that's okay. What a cool place to come and start our adventure again here in Ireland as we venture up to Letterkenny. Won't you join us as we geocache one step at a time on our way through the Emerald Isle. And this one was successful. Got it. Would you like to do the honors? Couldn't get the cap off. There.
Can I be creative like Yates?
Yes.
Ooh, it's very wet.
There, that one was successful, and we had a pretty fun time jumping out of the vehicle to get a virtual geocache with a statue of Yates. And the description said, be creative. So I was. Check this out. All right, onwards and upwards, let's go.
Okay, based on your observation, which weathering processes mentioned below in the listing can be directly observed in the sandstone?
Wind and rain, mainly rain. At this location, we're doing the Earth Cache, which was the cross, the 9th century cross. And we're looking for the grave site of W.B. Yeats, a very famous poet. And we're also doing a multi-cache, so let's go check it out. And this is the virtual geocache we're after, the grave site of W.B. Yeats. And in order to log this one, you need to have a photograph of you holding a pen in honor of the written word with the gravestone behind. And wouldn't you know it, I don't have a pen on me. But you're allowed to give a thumbs up. What kind of geocacher am I? I don't have a pen. Oy.
Okay. I'm sorry, Karen? Or I was just telling you the answer, 1942.
So we're starting the multi, and we start here.
Yes.
Karen and Deb are actively working on the multi, looking at different gravestones for clues in order to find the final coordinates.
Somebody ready for a...
Yep.
697.
697.
Meters. That way.
I confirm, 186 meters. We've got the final coordinates, we think, and we're off to see if we can find it. Left side, gate, and a stone. There'll be a stone, there'll be a cache. Woohoo! You gotta love it when a find for a multi is successful.
Yes, especially when there's math involved.
Yes.
And there's two...
And there's TB, well, one, two?
No.
One trackable. It wasn't up the tree, but we were looking in the wall. I found some stones. I moved one already, and there it is, right here. There we go. Nice. Cache found by London Westie.
First one of the trip.
No, it's not. But she was getting lucky in our last video when she had 3 finds in a row, which is amazing. So anyway, geocache found. So the geocache was supposed to be in this pine tree up in some vines, but we found it on the wall behind that tree right there behind a rock. More caches to find. Let's get going. Well, welcome to Northern Ireland. Apparently it was very inconspicuous because we missed it and had to turn around and come back. Our first cache coming up right about now. Boom. Magnetic nano?
Look at this sign has no scrap.
Well, okay.
BCON?
BCON, another cache. First geocache in Northern Ireland. And the King's something or other. The what? What is it called? The King's Causeway? No, the Jogs? The Knights? What?
Giants Causeway.
Sorry, the what?
Giants
Giant.
Causeway.
And the Giants Causeway coming up.